Hello and welcome back to my channel Own Chef. Today we are making spicy peppered chicken for 10 to 15 people. To see how I made it, continue watching. So I'm using chicken breasts and chicken thighs for this recipe. So you'd want to cut and wash your chicken like I have done here, and then add in garlic, onion, ginger, all-purpose seasoning, some homemade spices, paprika for some color and hotness, curry for the color and taste. Add in some oil, which is optional, and then you have to add in some salt for taste. Mix thoroughly to ensure the spices have penetrated every part. Add in some herbs if you want, that is optional. Arrange and then put it in your oven at 350 for 20 minutes while taking care of it. And then you move on to the pepper side, where we use habanero pepper, red bell pepper, and ginger. Blend this. It doesn't have to be smooth, like rough texture. Add in some oil into a pot and add in your blended mixture. Now we are going to fry this till all the water comes out and you achieve like a stew-like consistency. So as you can see, I'm frying this. I added in some oil and all-purpose seasoning and bouillon powder. That is the only seasoning we are going to use for this sauce. Now once it's ready, you add it to your baked chicken and fry it for some time on medium heat. So let's say you're going to fry it for 20 minutes and make sure it looks like this with the pepper absorb in the chicken. You can have your chicken anyhow. You can bake it, you can fry it, but doing it this way adds some extra is that what they call it, to the chicken, and everybody's going to eat it, is going to enjoy it, because it's not just baked or fried chicken. This one has some spiciness to it, some sweetness to it, and it is so good. You would want to try this recipe for when you have some guests or a small gathering. If you watched the video till this time, please support my channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.